It certainly is a hazy beer, that's for sure, so it meets that qualification. The first swig. Well, here's the pineapple, that's for sure. And a hint of pine. Just a little bit of balsam fir there at the end. Just one more swig. Very hoppy, but not overpowering. There's still enough malt in there, enough malt sweetness to balance that out. And it's got a nice mouthfeel, a lot of creamy type of a mouthfeel to it. So, does it meet expectations? Well, they warned us, and so I would say that it does. I'm the old growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations. And have a happy holiday.